what are the exact reasons that you should take science or you should take commerce? I'll become an influencer. I'll play Free Fire, I'll play PUBG, I'll stream it on YouTube, I'll make reels. There are 3 questions that you need to ask before actually making a decision, either commerce or science. How many of you are still facing the same question? Beta, are you going to take science or commerce? What are you going to take in class 11th? Have you not decided yet? Why haven't you not decided yet? Look at your friend, look at your brother, look at your sister, blah, 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 blah. I know we all are fed up from these questions. I was also, when I just cleared 10th, I was not sure what to take. I was sure that I don't want to take arts or humanities, but I was not sure as well if I want to take science or commerce as well. This is a big question because both of these subjects are equally, they are realizing it now, they are equally tough and equally easy if you like them. But what are the exact reasons that you should take science or you should take commerce if you have not decided yet? Or if you have, is this the right decision? Are you regretting it or not? I hope you are not. But if by any chance you are, this video is for you. Now, of course, there are some students who are listening to these questions, beta, what are you taking? And meanwhile, beta is like, I'll become an influencer. I'll play Free Fire, I'll play PUBG, I'll stream it on YouTube, I'll make reels and dance and stuff. Yeah, if you are that beta, then beta, this video is also for you. Okay, now there are 2 things that we have to discuss about in this video, science or commerce. Right? Before that, I want to tell you one very important thing is that we all are coming at JP Nagar, Bangalore in this weekend, 25th of April, because we know how important this discussion is and it can't be communicated through a video, right? So we want you to come meet us. You have any doubts, bring your parents. If your parents have any doubts, you just come to Vedanta Learning Center, JP Nagar, Bangalore on 25th of April, 11 AM. We all will be there to guide you, to give you career guidance that we thought we needed and we didn't have that, right? So we are coming to meet you, so make sure you are there. We'll be waiting for you, right? Now, back to the video. See, there are 3 questions that you need to ask before actually making a decision, either commerce or science. For science, first of all, what are you going to study? You are going to study basically maths, physics, chemistry and biology also. So in maths, you will be studying trigonometry, differentiation, matrix. There are 40 questions in one exercise. So if you don't like it, you won't be able to do it. I have done it, and I remember one Sunday I was sitting the whole day and I was just solving questions. Everyone around me is doing their work, but I'm just continuously solving the questions, and I didn't hate it. I might not choose to do it, intentionally, but I didn't hate it. I liked it. I like doing it when I got the answer. Okay, so make sure you like that. That's only when you get that. Physics, maybe derivations, there will be lots of definitions, electricity, electromagnetism, why the car moves, gravitation, rotation, lots of those things. Then chemistry, if you don't want to study but the oxygen molecule flying here, how it gives me respiration and all that stuff, then you have to think. But in chemistry, you'll be studying about electrons, atoms, metals, acids, bases, their exceptions and all that stuff. Now see, this is just the 11th and 12th part, and in biology you'll have lots of topics as well, okay? But this is just 11th and 12th part, right? The actual thing starts after that, because see, if you once clear IT or JEE, or if you choose engineering and you go into CSE, there is no use of chemistry anymore, right? Maybe there will be 1 or 2 more subjects, but basically you are focusing on coding. So if you like coding, you like AI, data analysis, you like the languages using Java, Python, Selenium and all that stuff, and not just AI, not just talking to ChatGPT, I am very sad today. No, that's not the AI I'm talking about. How ChatGPT is trained, the machine learning part, the long language models and all that stuff. Do you actually enjoy learning it? You actually enjoy training your ChatGPT? You know, you're like, give me answer according to me. So that's the training of a model, right? Do you like the background part of it, the coding part of it? Then maybe engineering is for you. For chemistry again, there will be atoms and molecules, there will be machines that you will be studying in your physics, and all that stuff that you'll study about electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, maybe civil engineering, or you like architecture, right? But right now there is not much role of chemistry in architecture, but there are so many solutions that makes a good material, so that will require chemistry. So all these things, if your main goal is clear, then it's fine, just go choose science, that's simple. But if the main goal is not clear and you are totally relying on what your interest is, that's also a very good thing, but this is how you see your interest. You want to know how a ball is rolling, how the energy is transferring from one vehicle to another vehicle when they collide, why the atoms and molecules are flying around and still we can't see them, and what are the exceptions, what are acids, bases, and you mix them, and there are so many experiments related to those. There are mathematics that is highly used in physics. So do you want to learn all that stuff? And if your goal is coding or AI, then you have to go through this path, that is sure. Then you have to just go through this path, and after that you won't be studying machines or atoms or molecules anymore, right? But you have to go through this part. Okay, there are two things. Now for commerce, if there are basic maths, we will be studying in accountancy, we need that. So accounts, numbers, there will be lots of numbers, business studies, maybe some sort of psychology, taxes, entrepreneurship, and in this you will be mainly dealing with, this doesn't have that you go through this part and you land on coding. All the commerce jobs are highly focused on finance or maybe MBA roles as well, right? So do you like stock market? Do you understand stock market is the question, not just liking it, but do you understand why the stock goes up, why the market is bearish or bullish, how the taxes works? There maybe you have searched the loophole to save taxes. There are lots of videos out there, right? So these are the small things that tells you what you are interested in, right? Do you watch continuously Shark Tank, not just to see how they are pitching, but what are the terms and legalities in their pitch that you actually understand? They see this is the gross margin, this is the profit in the last annual year. Do you understand all that? What is GST? Why does it apply to just 18% to some goods and then 20% to some other, or 28% to some other, right? And if you like business ideas, if you want to be an entrepreneur and you have the means to do that, you want to start your own business and not just the hype of it, you actually understand how it works, you actually want to know how to start a business, where to get the funding from, how much funding should I need, what is the value of this company, do you understand all those things? And you can also go into MBA. Lots of BCom guys goes into MBAs. My friend is doing MBA from Delhi, some college, right? So she is mainly doing the HR stuff. So you can go into that if you like management, if you like resource management, and all that stuff is wide open. See, MBA is wide open after any field, but basically after BCom, you are highly focused on finance stuff. So do you like that? Do you want to become a CA? Then that's pretty much clear. Then you must not be watching this video. But if you are just relying on your interest, there are atoms and molecules flying in the air here, balls are colliding, energy is transferring, differentiation matrix, and on this side there are taxes, GST, Shark Tank, legalities, and all the company stuff. And what excites you more? You want to learn about how this universe works, or you want to learn about how the market works, how the number works, how the money works? Okay, so these are your two options. Now again, if you are confused, we are coming to again where? Vedanta Learning Center, JP Nagar, Bangalore, 25th of April, 11 AM. Make sure you are coming, your parents are coming, you are coming us to meet. And see, I know lots of you have been a keen part of all the live sessions. We have interacted a lot as well. So we are very excited to meet you all, guys. So make sure you come there. We all will be waiting for you. Okay, tata, bye bye. I'll meet you at VLC JP Nagar, Bangalore on 25th April. Bye.